Now let us explore that if I have got the first name, middle name and the last name, and here I want to write a name, write a line here, write a sentence. My name is Tanvi Sharma. My name is Tanvi Sharma. So we are writing the name for the first one in the sentence format. So can we get this? Let's go down, come to the left, select this and press the shortcut Control E. And yes, we have got it. My name is Tanvi Sharma. My name is Tanay Gupta. Here my name is Yash Bhardwaj. So it is able to frame a sentence for me when I am trying to combine the three parts of the name. I have combined only the two here, but I believe if I am doing all the three also it will work. So when I am trying to do this, I am able to convert it into a sentence using the flash fill. So this is truly a magical function. You can use the flash fill function to extract, to separate, to connect, to concatenate. It is replacing many functions in Excel which we use to separate the data. Even working with dates is become very easy. If you want to extract the day, month, year, we have seen it. Even we want to toggle the month and date in and have a different formatting, we can do it. We can convert names into a sentence. So all this can be done easily with one shortcut, which is flash. The function is called flash fill and the shortcut is Control E, as you guys can see here, Control E, and you use this function. So I hope you have enjoyed learning this. Practice this and use it in more of your applications. This is going to make working on Excel very easy for you. So do practice it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video and learn something more interesting. Thank you. Thank you very much. So another topic which we want to cover here is just below this fill command, we have this clear command. And here we have four options: clear all, clear formats, clear contents, and clear hyperlinks. Right. So if you are selecting this sheet and if we go here and click on clear all, so it will clear everything which is there on the sheet. If I do Control Z, I can bring it back and I'll go here and I'll click on clear formats. So if I click on this, the formatting will be disappeared and the only data will be left behind. Now again, I'll do Control Z to undo this step and I'll go to clear contents. And if I am clicking on clear contents, it will remove the contents and only the formatting will be left behind. I'll again do Control Z to bring back my data. And now if you click here and there is an option called clear hyperlinks. So if there are any hyperlinks on the sheet, we can clear the hyperlinks and only the data, only the text will be left behind. For example, if I write here Google, and as we all know that we can create a link here, I can go to insert tab, I can click on the links and I'll choose the insert link. A box will open up and here if I choose the first option, I can type here the address for the Google page, right? And if I say OK to it, a link is created here, right? And if I click on this link, the Google page will be opened up, right? So in case we want to clear the links from this sheet, if I click here and if I say that I want to, I'll go to the home tab, the same button, and if I say clear links and remove links. Clear links, if we can see, clears the hyperlinks from the selected cells and the formatting is not cleared. So if I do clear links, you'll see that the link has gone. It's written Google in the same format, but the link is gone. I cannot do anything and I cannot click on this, right? But I'll do Control Z to bring it back, and here you can see I have got the link back. I used Control Z to undo it. Now if I'm selecting the data and if I say the second option, which is remove hyperlinks, so remove hyperlinks will remove the hyperlinks and formatting from the cell. So as I say remove, you'll see that the formatting in the cell has also gone and the link has also been removed. So these are some of the options which we see in the for clearing the contents and the formats or everything or the hyperlinks from any sheet of data which you have. So this is a small topic. So in the next session, let's discuss the sorting and filtering and find and select options. So again, I will request you guys to watch and practice along with the videos, and this will improve your Excel commands, will make you more expert on Excel, and you can do better only if you keep practicing by looking at the videos. Just open the Excel files and work along with them. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.